Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath. Welcome to today's video where I am talking about 14 stocks more likely to appreciate after this election by Motilal Oswal report. After the BJP's comfortable win in the state elections of 3 states, broking firm Motilal Oswal Financial Services believes that the results will provide comfort to the markets and the positive sentiment will encourage FIIs to invest more. As per its research, it believes that banking and financial services, real estate, automobile sectors are the preferred sectors. The following are the top stocks that Motilal Oswal has picked for the next 12 months. Top picks among the large cap stocks are SBI, current market price 608 and percentage returns in the last 1 month 6%. Axis Bank, current market price 1121, percentage returns in 1 month 11%. Mahindra 1702 current market price and percentage returns 14%. Hero MotoCorp 3761 current market price, last 1 month returns 19%. Company number 5 L&T, current market price 3392, percentage returns in the last 1 month 14%. Ultratech Cement 9213 and percentage returns in the last 1 month 7%. Titan 3547 current market price and percentage returns in the last 1 month 9%. Indian Hotels 438 current market price and percentage returns in the last 1 month 11%. And also Motilal Oswal has picked some stocks in the mid cap index as well, which are likely to go up. Godrej Properties, current market price 1937, percentage returns in the last 1 month 6%. Lemon Tree 119 current market price, percentage returns in the 1 month 3%. Suntech Realty, current market price 493, percentage returns in the last 1 month 10%. Company number 4 in this list, PNB Housing Finance 785 current market price, percentage returns in last 1 month 5%. Angel One 3142 current market price, 1 month returns 20%. Global Health 975 current market price, 1 month returns 16%. Some of these stocks have rallied 5 to 15% in the last 1 month. However, they may still have potential to rally along with the overall markets if the election rally continues. So what you should do is, based on technical analysis, you can see whether these stocks can be purchased, and based on that you can purchase them, monitor them, and whenever the sell indication comes, you can sell them. By following these kind of things, we get an idea which stocks to track and which stocks need not be tracked. If you like this video, please click the like button, and one question for you at the end. Do you think this rally can sustain for another 1 to 2 weeks without a correction? If you think yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you and bye bye.